Now we're going to go out with a bang now. This is probably my favourite song to play. It's called Handcuffs, and there's a fun bit at the end. Oh, yeah. Show the voice that bends your ways till it dies. Like a ghost reality, maybe lost within the lies. And it was all going so great. Line on your graph is going by an exponential rate. Where's the outside comes when you're sending song? When you pass a watch and posting on the streets, if you don't want it, then you'll get beat. People start wise for wise when the sun is starting to cry. Joe, the voice that bends your ways till it dies. Like a ghost reality, maybe yours and human lies. This is the bit I enjoy now. Now, before I go off stage, I've got to say my thank yous. And I just want to say how much of an amazing charity this is supporting. The Rhyco charity for the people in Kenya. I don't know if you guys saw Ferocious on tour in Kenya, but this is going to be a massive support. I thank you every one of you for coming. The money goes and helps. I want to say a big thank you to Ferocious for inviting me. Thank you! I want to say a big thank you to everyone who supported me. Thank you! And most of all, I want to say a big thank you to all you guys who are watching me. Thank you! Give yourselves a round of applause. Now, are you ready for one last bit of soloing? A bit of fun? I said, are you ready for one last bit? Yeah. Well, let's go off with a bang. I'm not playing another gig for another 2 months, so this is my last bit of fun.